Hi, it's a good day. I woke up earlier than my alarm. I think I woke up at 6. Tapos nagmuni-muni muna ako sa room. It's currently 6:51. Wow, it was almost an hour. I wanna meditate and journal first before workout. So usually kasi workout muna before meditation and journaling, but now I'm trying to interchange it to see if that's better for my system. So let's do that.
Ready. Ready. Drop. Bring it up. Brace. Lateral breathing. Brace. Drop. Pag di kaya, baba 20.
Kaya ko to. Bida-bida ako.
Tandya pa rin naman natin.
Asa bida-bida. Okay, tamang bigat to kasi 4 pa lang. Gusto ko na umiyak.
Yep,
Okay.
good.
Shut.
Nice one.
We are done working out. Good morning from my pimple patches. Hi friends. So, I just received all my 7/7 purchases and I'll just go ahead and film the unboxing para wala. First parcel is from Mickey's Picks. Oh, ito yung yung mga vitamins. Itong mga ganito ko, yung mga plastic ko, I preserve it kasi dinodonate ko tong mga to. Ilagay ko na lang yung link ng kung saan ko dinodonate sa description box. So, this is how I segregate my parcels. I categorize it into plastics and bubble wraps, and then yung mga karton and paper. Kasi these ones, I can donate it. Again, link in the description. Ayan, ito na. Nabili ko to sa TikTok. Yung 7/7 kasi nag-sale tong magnesium. This is something that you really can't live without. Kami ni Josh. As in, hindi kami nawawala ng ganito sa buhay namin. Wow. Kasi we drink this every night. Next naman is a Reco from Miss O. It's the vitamin D3 and K2. This one I have yet to try. Next naman is something I read in an article, ang L-theanine. So this is supposed to be relaxing for stress management, etc. So I'll also have to try this. Balitaan ko kayo. Next naman is from Heart Clothing. This is also from TikTok. I think this is shorts. Kasi sobrang kulang ko sa shorts. Ang dami kong tops, but kulang ako sa mga shorts. Oh, may libre pang pony. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Ano kasha sa akin? Mukha naman kasha. Yan. Ang saya. Ang daming pa-unboxing. Next is from Dr. Shiba. This is for bagnet. Nakadalawang order na ako nito before. Itong Jolly Joints, ito. Kasi with bagnets breed kasi, she's a French Bulldog. Prone talaga sila sa joint problem. So, this is what she's having. Siguro mga naka 5 tubs na siya nito. This one I can highly recommend. Pero ito, itatry ko pa lang yung Happy Tummy. Both is duck flavor. Kasi, ewan ko, ito yung mas mura. Ito, may probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics blend. Greek yogurt, maki berry. So, it's supposedly for your dog's tummy. Ito naman, Jolly Joints. For their joints. Next. Ooh! Yan, ito. First time ko umorder sa Polash. Hi, Madam Pau. I also got this on sale on TikTok nung nagla-live sell sila. So, this is my first ever purchase of fake lashes. Can you imagine? I'm 33. Ngayon lang ako matututo na maglagay ng lashes sa sarili ko. Never too late to try things, my friends. Ang alam ko, in-order ko 2 kinds of lashes, isang applicator, tsaka yung glue. I am happy na available yung glue nila kasi laging out of stock to. Okay, let's just take out all of these packages so we could donate or recycle them. Ayan! So, I got this applicator. Tama ba yun? Itong lash adhesive. Finally, lashes. Rar. So, I got the Pro M08 and Pro G15. Okay, next. Oh, this one I'm excited. This one is a package from Monday. It's a shampoo brand, hair care brand. Got this from Lazada naman. I got their moisture variant. Actually, nabigyan na nila ako nito before. Full disclosure, it was a gift, pero wala akong obligation to post. But it turns out I like it. My sensitive scalp likes it. So, if you are dandruff prone and sensitive yung scalp mo, I can recommend this one. Etong Monday shampoo and conditioner na moisture variant. Tapos, dun sa package, meron pang libreng 2 trial pack. So, I got the smooth variant naman. Shampoo and conditioner. Ang cute naman ito. Grabe. It's not your typical shampoo lalagyan. Malaki budget. Meron pang engraved dito. If you are a product developer and a brand owner, if you know, you know. Next, ito medyo malaki. Ano kaya ito? This one is from Poof. Oh, this is a brand from Winnie Wong. Nakita ko siya mag-TikTok live. Ang social-social. But I really love her brand Everyday. So, meron siya dong mga pang-organize. She also has planners, perfumes, and I got this organizers. Bumili ako ng 4. If I'm not mistaken, parang 94 pesos ko lang siya nabili isa. Tapos, oy, ang ganda, min. Ang ganda. Ayan. Yay! Ang ganda niya. So, these are acrylic organizers. Balak ko siyang ilagay sa mga drawers ko kasi magdi-declutter ako very, very, very soon. Abangan niyo yung mga videos na yan din. Oh, it's customizable? What? Wait a minute. Ooh, so, you can take it out, tanggal, balik. Ooh, what? Very well thought of. I love this. Tapos, meron pa siyang parang rubber here just so it won't move in your drawers. So, sticker siya. Ilalagay mo lang siya dito sa ilalim. Rar! Ang galing. Ang talino. It's called the Super Systems. Meron pang pa-sticker. So nice. So, yun lang naman ang aking unboxing for today. Thanks for being with me. Rar!